right, so special thanks to this company for sending us their Christmas LED string lights. Sticker there, photo there, string lights. Not a whole lot of information in the box, but let's open it up and take a look at it. All right. So the lights do have a waterproof plug here. They are Icicle lights. Okay, that's what I was trying to, exactly figure out. So Icicle lights, very nice instructions set for the box. Now let's take these outside and see what they look like. So we're gonna plug this in, and that's the mode button right there to go through the 8 modes. We'll go through and show you all 8 modes. All right, you can switch over from mode 1 to mode 2. Oh, that's mode 2. Okay. And mode 3. And mode 4. Oh, that one's really slow. And mode 5. Ooh, Demi. And mode 6. And mode 7. And mode 8. And back to mode 1. Alright, well that is these Icicle lights. Thanks again to the company for sending these to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.